Imagine a world where AI creates art, robots walk among us, and space travel is as easy as booking a flight. Well, guess what? That future is already here. Welcome to your channel name, where today we're diving into the biggest technological advancements that are changing our world right now. First up, artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just science fiction. It's in our homes, our jobs, even our cars. ChatGPT, Midjourney, and AutoGPT are revolutionizing how we work, create, and even think. Did you know AI can now write movie scripts, diagnose diseases, and even create music that sounds like your favorite artist? Crazy, right? Let me know in the comments, do you think AI is helping or replacing us? Next up, quantum computing. If AI is the brain, quantum computing is the superbrain. Companies like Google and IBM are racing to create machines that process information at lightning speed. This could mean unbreakable cybersecurity, super accurate weather predictions, and even drug discoveries in minutes instead of years. Quantum computing might sound complex, but here's a simple way to understand it. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a hypersonic jet. Mind blown yet? Let's keep going. We are stepping into a world where reality and virtual reality blend together. The metaverse is bringing us digital offices, virtual concerts, and even entire cities. Brands like Meta, Apple, and Microsoft are building devices that make the digital world feel real. Imagine sitting at home and still attending a business meeting in New York without flying there. Or hanging out with your friends in a virtual cafe. Would you live in the metaverse? Drop it in the comments if yes or if you're skeptical. Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in the age of robotics. From Tesla's Optimus robot to Boston Dynamics' insane parkour robots, automation is taking over. Self-driving cars, drone deliveries, and even AI-powered chefs. What job do you think robots will take over next? Let me know below. And finally, let's talk about space. With SpaceX, NASA, and ISRO pushing the boundaries, Mars missions are becoming a reality, and commercial space travel is on the rise. Would you take a trip to space if given a chance? Type yes or no in the comments. I want to know who the brave ones are. That's just the beginning of the future, folks. What do you think is the most mind-blowing tech advancement? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more futuristic content, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious, stay